I am Abby Childress, and today I will be explaining my choices in visual design for an infographic. Information does not always come across to the viewer in the intended way. Visual design is used to ensure the highest probability of the viewer understanding the information in the way the creator intended. Closure is the use of empty spaces within images to force the brain to engage by closing the image with imaginary lines. I use the principle of closure in the pie chart. The empty space between the 9.3% and the rest of the population creates visual separation representing the difference between the two groups. Despite the space, the mind automatically completes the circle and thinks of both pieces as parts of a whole image. The concept of proximity relates images to each other based on arrangement of the infographic and how close together they are. I used proximity to relate the number of people with diabetes to those with prediabetes. I did this by placing the statistics close to each other. However, I maintained that they were separate by aligning them to different sides of the infographic horizontally. Similarity and anomaly correlate or distinguish respectively. I used similarity in the graphic representation of persons with type 1 and type 2 diabetes by using an image of the same size to represent a diabetic with either form. I used a monochromatic color scheme, which is essentially using different hues of the same color. This tactic provides visual consistency throughout the infographic. Contrast is use of varying colors and saturation levels to make image or text stand out from the background. I decreased the saturation of the background and maintained 100% saturation of text and images in order to increase contrast. Thank you for taking time to listen to this presentation. Please feel free to contact me with any questions.